So in today's videos we are going to learn how to connect MySQL database server to in your Java project. In case we will say that how to create a JDBC connection using MySQL. So here we have to firstly we have to go to Chrome. In the Chrome we have to type if you don't have Eclipse, you go to type here Eclipse and then download latest version of Eclipse. For we are download. So sorry, we have to go here Eclipse download for Windows. Here we have to go inside. We are downloading for the Java. So here we have to go Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So which is your window, you have to let's start which window you have. So like that we have to select. If you are using a Windows, then select here Windows. If you are using Macs, then select Macs. If you are using Linux, then select Linux. Here go here and download. I already downloaded Eclipse in my laptop, so I didn't download. If you have not downloaded Eclipse, so please go to here and download. Okay, let's start. After that, uh, complete installation of Eclipse. So go here. If you want to switch new workplace, so go to other. In the other, you have to select whatever folder you want. So I am creating one another folder in the desktop. So you have to create you have to give a name like that, JDBC program. Okay, JDBC program. So after that, select this folder and launch it. Okay, it's taking 1 minute time. So now my Eclipse ready to create a project. So go to here. It's not important, skip it. Okay, go to here. Okay, now setup is creator. So what we have to do, we have to do create a JDBC connection using my SQL database. So we are going in the file. In the file we have to click on a new. After that we have to we have to create a one project. So we are creating a one single Java project. Okay, so we are creating a one simple Java project. So we have to type here just Java project. Click on it and we are giving a name MySQL JDBC connection. Okay, we create project. Okay, let's see about this. Perfect. So here go to in MySQL JDBC connection. Here what we have to do, we have to first step go to inside the src folder, delete this unwanted model.java. No need to keep this file in the src. So in the src folder create a new, and here we are creating package. Why we use package? Because of if you want to create a separate file, like if you have a service if you have a service level project in one package, another is a request, like that. we have to use the package. uh, in short, package are used for separating the file. Okay. We are giving name my JDBC connection or simply JDBC connection. JDBC connection. Okay, and finish it. Sorry guys, I give name here like that. Delete this. Sorry guys. So in the src folder, mm, create a new package, com dot whatever company you have, whatever you want to give name, you give like that. Okay, I'm giving com dot nt, nt dot and connection. Okay, connection and finish. Okay, after that we have to take one class. Okay, where we are taking the class like JDBC connection. Okay, and finish it. Okay, we take. After that, the most important step is we have to add the external jar. So particularly we have to download the external jar. If we are using MySql, so there is a one external jars we have to download it for internet. Okay, we are going here and downloading one external jar. So here we have to type MySql connector jar. Okay, 8.0. We have to download this. Go to here and download. Okay. Okay. We have to download. I already downloaded, so I did not need to download again. You download from this website. And after that, we have to select the folder, right click, and see the option build path. In the build path, select the configure build path. Okay, after that we have to go in the libraries. In the libraries there is a folder class path. Click on that and external jars. After that you have to check where you downloaded this external jar. So I am searching here MySql connector. Okay, MySql connector. Okay, I have to check in download. Okay, here I downloaded MySql connector. Okay, MySql, MySql. Here not available. Where it is available? I think this MySql connector not available. I think let's in the download folder. I'm checking. MySql connector. Okay. This is the jar MySql connector. So click on that and open. Okay, after that apply and close. If we have to complete this process. After that there are the 6 steps we have to be aware of. That first is a load driver. So write the main method. There is a shortcut key to create a main method. Just type a main, after that type a control and space bar. It automatically come. Okay, so we write a main method. After that, what we have to do? We have to write a one step number one. Step number one is uh, register, register and load, load driver. Okay, this is the step number one. Okay, after that, what does this means? We have to give the where we where the driver is available. Just we have to give the path. So there is one method we use, class dot for name. This is the method. Inside the method we have to write sorry, okay, here we have to give the JDBC driver, okay, path. So we are giving com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. Okay, so why it is saying here error? It's saying error because of if we write a use a class dot for name, that time it causes the one exception, and the exception is class not found exception. So we have to catch this exception, or we can use try or catch block, and we can use also throws. So simple way is to add throw here, go here, and here add throw declaration. Okay, class not found, again it will gone. Okay, so step 2 we have to create a connection. So for that we have one method, connection com equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here what we have to provide? We have to provide here URL, then MySql username and MySql password. We have to provide here. So first we are providing here URL. URL means where the MySql is in our system. We have to just provide it URL. Okay. So we are providing URL my JDBC. Sorry, JDBC. JDBC colon MySql colon local host colon 3306 colon 3306 colon, and here what is the database name we have to provide here. So we are going in the MySql. Okay, in MySql, see this is my local. Okay, this is here I am going. This is the local host URL, and this is the port number. Okay, continue in. Okay, so here we are creating a one new database. So what is the command of for creating the database? The command is we have to create the database using the command create database. So we are creating db query. See here, one database create. After that, inside this database, we have to create a table. We see later. Okay. So, okay. Here we provide database name. What is the database name? DB home. Okay. DB home we create, and here we have to provide URL. So casually URL, password and username, it will be the same. If you given another password, you have to put that. So commonly always root and password and URL same. Okay, here I am providing username. So MySql username is root. So root here, sorry, by mistake. Okay, after that here password. So my database password is Priyanka. Okay, and give semicolon. And why it's saying here, you have to import SQL. Okay, after that driver manager, it showing one error. So we have to throw this error in the main method. So our program could not be stopped. So we are throwing this error, this SQL exception. So here what we have to do is we are checking our URL and password and load driver with will it be uh, loaded successfully or not. So we have to check that. So control, okay, if it's loading successfully, it's showing message success. If not, then it will cause error. So save it and go to here project and run it. Run on a Java application. Okay. So check here, success means we create a successfully connection. Okay. So after that, third step is step number 3. What we have to do? We have to create a statement for executing query. So here and in a JDBC connection, there are the 3 types of statement. We can use also statement, prepare statement, and callable statement. So statements are used for select queries, and prepare statement is used for insert, update, delete. Okay, and callable also. So we are inserting value into table, so we are using a create statement. So first what we have to do, we have to create one table for updating the value. So we are going to in MySql, we are using use DB home. Okay, and select this and run. Okay, after that inside the DB we have to create one table. So we are creating create table. We are giving a table name like information. No, we are creating a student. Okay, student in, okay, student info and run it. So your table must have at least one visible column. Okay, we have to write, sorry, we have to provide here column. So first we are taking name var 10. Okay, after that we are taking roll number. Okay, roll number in int. Okay, After that, cd var char. Okay, var char string. Okay, just normal var. Okay, simple. You have to run this command. Select this enter. Warning. Width is deprecated, will be removed in future release. Okay, so no problem, just ignore warning. Just we are seeing how to create MySql connection. Don't bother about that, what it's you have to just bother about. So we have to just bother about error. We have to don't bother about warning. Warning could not affect our program. Error affect our program. So we create a table, and in the table we have to insert the value. We can directly insert into here, but we are learning how to create a JDBC connection in MySql and how to update the value using Java program from Java to here database. So we have to learn that. So what we are doing, we create already table. So inside inside this table, uh, just you have to write here select start from your student info. So check once how the table look like. Okay, and yeah, here name, roll number, city. See, this table is empty. We didn't provide any information here. So what we have to do? We have to go in the Java program, and from there we create one JDBC connection. From there we fetch the value into the database. So got it? I will. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. So what we have to do? We have to go to in the Eclipse, and we have to create a one statement for insert the value into table. So what we are doing? We are doing, so here we have to take one statement. So I am taking a prepare statement. For that, prepare statements means we are taking this statement just because of we have to insert in the prepare statement. We can perform insert operation, update operation, and delete operation. Okay, uh, we are taking a prepare statement here. Prepare okay, this is a prepare statement. This is a reference variable here. Con dot we are creating for connection, no? So we have to take the reference of con object here. Con here prepare call prepare statement. Okay, here what we have to do? We have to insert value. So what is the query for insert value? Insert sorry insert into table. Which table we create? Check here once. Student, I think student info. Yes, student info table we create. Okay, so sorry, insert into student student info values. Okay, what we first provide, you have to remember, when we are inserting value into the table, it always in single quote. If it is a string, we have to give always single quote. If you provide in double quote, it will cause error. So you have to bother about that. So inside this, first name we have to provide. So for example, I'm providing Neha. After that, after that, roll number. Okay, 101. After that, city Pune. Pune. Okay, we simple. So we have to improve this. Mm. After that, execute these statements. Step number 4. Execute the statement. Okay. What do we have to do? Execute this statement. For executing, we have to one give the execute update. Okay. So we are taking one variable int I equal to ps dot execute query execute execute for result set. Okay. What were here? Okay. Sorry. We are taking a execute update. Let's see. Execute. Restart. Execute. Update. Sorry. Update. Okay. After that, we are taking one condition for checking it successfully updated or not. So if I greater than 0, okay, we are providing one statement, insert value successfully, and otherwise else. Otherwise failed. Failed. Insert value. Okay, so just control yes and click on run as a Java application and check. Failed. Okay guys, what happened here? DB home student info does not exist. Oh, we provide here wrong table name and DB home. Okay, I think run as Java application. Insert value successfully. Okay, we are checking this value are inserted. This value are insert or not in MySql database. So go to MySql database here, run this query and check. Okay, see guys, here value are update insert successfully. Okay, so this is our first tutorial of uh, JDBC. How to simply we see how to create a JDBC connection using MySql. So guys, I hope you are understanding uh, very well about this concept. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I will solve it definitely, and I will learn from it because I am a beginning. I am not advanced level teaching. Just I am trying to give information what I have. So the main the main motivation of my video is just I am providing you knowledge what I have, and I am learning from my mistake, and next time I will be do better video on that. Thank you guys.